The entire project comprises of 333 apartments, 9,000 square metres of retail commercial, and over 4,000 square metre park and playground. Tenants like Service New South Wales, we've got Anytime Gym, we've got a large greengrocer, we've got a childcare centre, we've got a medical centre, cafes. A lot of work has happened underground, which you can't see. Over 300,000 blocks have been laid, services have been installed, sprinklers, ducting, ventilation. So lots been happening underground, and on the surface, we're up to the last transfer slab on building D&E. The slabs here are quite complex. They're not a standard slab. Average slab here is roughly about 550 to 600 cubic metres of concrete, which is a lot. Yeah, and it takes a bit of time. The complexity of this job is amazing. We're also looking at getting the retailers in by the end of the year so they can do their fit outs and they can open up roughly around the same time we're going to have buildings finished.